Welcome to the TOC class for the conversion of context-free language to push-down automata. So in this problem, W means it is a string which contains the symbols of 0 and 1. So the previous problems contain the standard notation. Here the problem has WR. So there is always a relationship between W and WR. WR represents the reverse of a particular string. So in this way only we should take it out. We can take W as any length. Here I am writing the W value as 001. So if you take the reverse of it, the answer is 100. So the possible strings are one string. I am writing here. This is for example only. So this is W followed by the symbol C, then 100. Like that, you can make able to make different formation of strings in a particular language. This string is taken for further discussion. So I am writing here only. So the step 1 is you should draw the transition diagram. So I am taking Q0. This is string 1. If I am taking string 2, W equal to 1001. The reverse is also same thing, 1001. So in the first notation, the first symbol is 0. For the second notation, the first symbol is 1. So if Q0 read 0 or 1, it will automatically go to Q1 state. So we don't know whether 0 occurred or 1 occur as the first symbol on tape. Okay. Then after that, if you are reading 0 or 1 any time, you should stay on Q1 state. So all the strings in W, it will remain in the Q1 state. So after that, if you read C, you immediately go to Q2 state. Then from Q2, there may be the possibility of 0 or 1. So the first 0 or 1 symbol, you go to Q3 state. For the remaining notations, you should stay on Q3 state. After that, if you are reading epsilon means you can automatically go to final state. So this is the procedure. Then what should we do means we just split the values at left side or right side. So it is left side of 0 or 1, we should do push operation. If you read a symbol C, you don't do anything, so you stop that push operation. If any symbol 0 or 1 occur after C, then you should use pop operation. So this is the generalized procedure. Okay. So I try to write the notations. So here it only one flow with two symbols. So you should write two different transition functions for this one with the symbol Q0 0 and Q0 1. Okay. So Q0 1. What is your outflow? For both the symbol, it will automatically go to Q1 state. So these are all left side of 0. So you should use push operation here. And the next notation is Q1. Q1 with the symbol 0 or Q1 with the symbol 1. So I don't know it, but it stay in the same state. This will also push operation. Okay, this is for one sequence. And after that, if Q1 reads C, then it will go to Q2 state. So it is a stop operation. Then after that, if Q2 it read with 1, it will go to Q3 state. So this is the pop operation. So Q2, either it will read 0 or 1. For all the thing, you should go to pop operation. Then after that, Q3 with 0, stay Q3 state, pop operation. Either Q3 read a symbol on tape with 0 or 1. For this also pop operation is there. After that, if Q3 read epsilon, you can go to final state. Okay. So I am taking this string 001. So 001 C 100. So this is your stack. This is the topmost value. So either it may be 0 or 1, your topmost value as Z. So I am taking 001 as W, so 0 is occurred. If I am taking 100 as an input string, first 1 should be occurred at initial state. Okay, so that one day I am writing two different functions here. So you should do push operation. Push means you just combine those values. So 0 is it, otherwise 1 is it. So these are all push operations. So either for this notation, I push the value 0 as the topmost value on stack. So Q0 with the 0 is completed, then it will go to Q1 state. So if it is Q1, 0, the value, topmost value may be 0, otherwise 1. So if I am taking 101 means, first 1 should be pushed as the topmost value on stack. So if you read 0 with Q1 state, your topmost value may be 1. So I am writing additional notations here. If Q1 read 1 and the topmost value is 0 also, you should use push operation. So I am writing another thing. Q1 0 with 1 as the topmost value on stack, then you should do push operation. Okay. So either 0 0 or 1 0, 0 1 or 1 1. All this thing push operation. Push means you just combine those two values. So 0 0, 1 1, 1 0 or 0 1. So these are all the different notations. So all these values, that is 0 0 1, is pushed on stack. So at the end of 1, you are staying in the same state. So Q1 is there. 3 symbols will be pushed on stack. So now Q1 with C means it will go to Q2 state. Then what is your topmost value on stack? Either it may be 1 or 0. Depending upon your input, it will be there. What you should do stop operation. Stop means only one value, that is the topmost value. The topmost value is available in the third parameter. So you just write only that symbol on right side of the transition function's second parameter. Okay. Then after that, it will go to which state? It will stay in Q2 state. So if Q2 with one symbol is read, you just check the topmost value, that should also be equal. So if Q2 1 means topmost value should contain 1. Pop means epsilon. Okay. So I pop that value. So the next state is Q3. If you are reading Q3 0, the topmost value is also C0. That means you can pop that value. Once again Q3 0, topmost value is 0. So you can able to pop it. So I am taking 001 for this one. So I am filling Q2 11 and Q3 00 here. The same notation is for pop operation with other notations. So if you are reading Q2 0, the topmost value should also be equal. So that is only the reverse, isn't it? Reverse means this is the topmost value. You are reading 1, so cancel. If you are reading 0, topmost value is 0, cancel. So the same number should be occurred at both. So after popping these three values, only stack contain Z, so you can able to accept it. So consider these situations. So this will be different from other functions because they are giving W. So the W may be the combination of 0 or 1. Depending upon our input, we can able to write it, but we should write all the combinations in our mind. Then only we can able to complete this PDA transition function. Okay, just to remind these concepts. Thank you.